Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking, your Windows 11 freeze at startup. Okay, so guys, how to solve these issues? Firstly, guys, you disconnect your external hard disk, means pen drive, SSD, external hard disk like that. So, okay, and second solution is, guys, click to start button, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator. Okay, then click to yes. Okay, I have some command to use your some corrupted file to restore automatically. Okay, this is for command. Okay, use one by one. Okay, you just copy this command in description, so you copy from directly. Okay, and directly write it. So some when you enter the some percentage type to start. Okay, and please wait. So when one finished, to use second and then third and then fourth. Okay, and then restart. Okay, then again third solutions. Again click to start button, Windows button, and go to setting, Windows update. Any update are pending, so install, and means your Windows is up to date. Okay, and then install all drivers also. When you install, your driver is pending, showing here install driver also. Okay, otherwise you go to drive, click to start button and type device manager. You checked one by one. Firstly, monitor like this, open, update, and automatically, yeah, and then one by, but monitor display driver is very important. Yeah. Now third, sorry, fourth, disable startup software. So click to start button, type task manager, open. This is startup softwares, and Microsoft Edge disable, also disable, all disable. Startup software is not required to your system team also, because this is use um, your processor and RAM also, that was not required. All disable one by one. Okay, you when you all disable, your booting speed was very fast. Next solutions. So guys, you install any antivirus, McAfee, antivirus, NP like that. So you disable from here, right click to disable, and then guys restart your system. Please check it. Okay, and comment me what issue solved or not. Okay, yeah, bye bye, take care.